Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. We need to open our dialer and enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So just tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here, let me go back to the general list. And now scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and go to Device Details. And here at the top you've got the model, so just tap on it. And on the second position we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.